Hello guys. Oh, god damn it. It's very goddamn loud. Every single time and it's very loud. But that's okay. That's okay. Alright? So we're gonna play Roblox. We're gonna play Roblox. We're gonna play Roblox, alright? Yeah. Hey. Yeah, but I hate you, so look at this little fucking avatar. Look, as you can see, is this normal, right? No shit. No. Report abuse, dating, yeah. Kill herself, yeah. And boom, done. Your report has been sent. Thank you for your report. We will investigate further to determine if there's a violation of terms of use. For more information, check out Roblox safety. No, duh. What? Fuck, no. Yes. Yes. Wait, there's literally wheels. Huh? There's no way. Oh my god. It's awesome. I don't know which game. Wait a second. Alright people, I know how to find a game that's pretty cool. It's called Most Realistic Car Crash Game on Roblox. Let's play. Shh. Oh, here. Oh yeah, let's play about the mountain. I got a speck of dust in my supercar. Ah! Dude, you just use a literal freaking Wikipedia just to put this. Wait, there's something else. Wait. Oh, here. Oh, wait, sports car? Yeah, well, let's see. Actually impressive. Smart cooling system. AWD. Active yaw control. A screen. Yeah. Wait, and you have to change the goddamn car's name? It turns to normal car to goddamn sports car? What? Is this here? Yeah, oh, I know this one. It's called City, alright? It's like no buildings, alright? Just like forest. Come on, open the door. Here, thanks. I just said thanks. Close the door. Okay, so let's inside. Bro, for the person that has my car, I'm gonna disable your which wheel rosters. Me. Rah! Oh, I think I got her car, so I don't have windshields now. Pretty cool, right? Let's go to the city. Let's go to the city. Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, I cannot see. Oh, God. Oh, God. Whoa, oh, my God. Whoa. What the hell? That's my car. My wheels. My goddamn wheels. Oh my god, look what just happened. Oh my god, even there's my goddamn engine. Oh my god, look. Wait, 2 marks? What? Oh wait. Wee. I'm going to get another one. Alright, pick up. Yeah, sure, why not? Yeah. Come on, pig! Good enough. Oh my. Damn, 4 minutes? That's a bit long. What just happened? Can I, yeah, help? Alright, nothing bad have happened, right? Because I live with my finally car that does absolutely nothing and does absolutely nothing. Oh yes. Oh, don't have a screen, but that's okay. That is a goddamn window. Oh God, oh! Damn, that's a bit close. How much is it? 5 minutes, sorry. No. I thought this is like Roblox. Oh, I know that, yeah. Hey, give me a second. Beep beep. Can you honk? You can't. Beep beep! Beep beep! Yes, beep beep! Oh, damn. I get... Oh my God! What kind of car is this? I'm going right here. How much is it? 5 minutes again. It's still 5 minutes, but that's okay. I can go there. Yeah. Oh my God, I can't believe. Dude, I hate your seats. This is why nobody loves you. God damn, it's way too loud here. Gear. There's like a name called Gear, and it's like, and it's Vector's the cool kid. What? Oh, back in my day, I was having a little gold trucks and building the thing. I go about buses that got arrested in Africa. No, what just happened to my car? Damn.